Hello and welcome to DigiPrub videos.
Today, let's talk about the jewel of the East Coast, Vishakhapatnam or Vizag. Enveloped by towering hills on one side and scenic beaches on the other, this little-known destination is home to a diverse set of attractions that promises visitors one dazzling holiday.
Before we begin, new viewers subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So now let us have a look at 10 amazing places to visit in Vishakhapatnam.
Number 10. Rishikonda Beach. The Rishikonda Beach, also known as Rushikonda Beach, is a stunning shore located on the coast of the Bay of Bengal in Vishakhapatnam. Located in the midst of frothy blue sea and emerald greenery, the scenery that this beach boasts of is indeed mesmerizing and breathtaking. This place is a favorite among water sports lovers because of the range of activities that are offered here. The beach's natural charms are one of the main reasons for its immense popularity among local as well as foreign tourists. The Rishikonda Beach is an ideal destination for a peaceful weekend getaway and is located just 8 kilometers away from the port of Vishakhapatnam, making the place very accessible. Number 9. Dolphin's Nose. Very similar to a dolphin's nose, this 174-meter high rocky headland is situated in the south of Vizag. The nose seems to be protruding out towards the Bay of Bengal, giving it a rather fascinating look. A renowned powerful lighthouse, highly useful for the shippers and has a light beam that can be seen as far as 64 kilometers out at sea, is also placed nearby. There is also a hill nearby named the Dolphin Hill and is a restricted armed forces residential area. The backside of the hill has a scenic, beautifully placed, secluded beach called Yarada. Number 8. Submarine Museum. The museum is inside an actual submarine, INS Kurusura, which was India's 5th submarine. The beautiful scenery of the clear blue waters and golden sand on the beach serves as a perfect location for the submarine museum. The museum has artifacts, pictures, and articles that share stories of strength, sacrifice, and patriotism of the warriors. It is the only submarine museum in the entire of Asia. A visit to the museum is not only a must to gain some knowledge but also to rejuvenate a feeling of patriotism and pride for our country and for the warriors who fought and even lost their lives for our freedom. Number 7. Katiki Waterfalls. Katiki Falls originates from River Gosthani about 90 kilometers from Vishakhapatnam. The waterfall is located near the Bora Caves and is a famous attraction for picnickers and nature lovers. The natural landscape surrounding the waterfall is lush green and goes through an uneven path that adds an element of adventure to the visitors trekking their way to the waterfall. It is, therefore, an ideal attraction for beginner to intermediate level trekkers. There are several food kiosks on the way that serve snacks and beverages, especially bamboo chicken and fresh coconut water. Taking a pit stop for a bite before proceeding won't be disappointing. Katiki Falls is the place to be for those who wish to rejuvenate their souls. Number 6. Araku Valley. Araku Valley is a comparatively unexplored hill station mostly visited by locals as a weekend getaway and is situated some 120 kilometers away from Vishakhapatnam. If you're a tourist looking for exclusivity and tranquility, Vista Dome train leaves Vishakhapatnam at 6:50 am, making way through 58 tunnels and passing over 84 bridges, making way through the breathtaking landscape to reach Araku in approximately 5 hours. Go catch that! This valley is also home to a few tribal caves and the Museum of Tribal Arts, which are an experience in their own right. This destination is quite famous for its exquisite coffee, whose subtle aroma will have you craving for a cuppa. In addition to being a beautiful vista point, you can also try your hand at a number of adventure sports here, which include trekking and swimming as well. If a holiday to the hills is your call, but you think you've seen it all, maybe you should wait till you visit this one. Number 5. Simhachalam Temple. Simhachalam Temple is an ornate shrine which is revered to be one of the most important temples in the region. The edifice is perched atop a hill 800 meters above the sea level and is dedicated to Lord Narasimha, who is an incarnation of Vishnu himself. Simhachalam Temple is embellished with extremely detailed stone carvings and design and can be spotted from a distance. This is the only temple in the country where Sri Varaha Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, who is a combination of the third and fourth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, appears. Lord Narasimha appears here in the Tribhanga posture and has two hands with the head of a lion on a human torso. Number 4. Vuda Park. The Vishakhapatnam Urban Development Authority, or Vuda Park, is a popular attraction in Vishakhapatnam and a favorite amongst the tourists. One of its main attractions here is a musical waterfall. The park also has a skating rink and many small playing areas for kids. The park is designated and constructed by the Vuda and is in the close proximity of Ramakrishna Beach. It is an ideal spot for a late evening snack, especially if you are with kids. Number 3. Yarada Beach. Yarada Beach is an entrancing sight which is surrounded by hills on 3 sides and the Bay of Bengal on the 4th, covered with lush greenery and soft golden sands all over. It is an ideal location, especially for the nature lovers, as one gets to view enchanting sunrise and sunsets on this coastline. The beach is situated at a distance of 15 kilometers from Vishakhapatnam and does not remain very crowded. Since not many people gather here all the time, Yarada Beach is by far one of the safest and cleanliest beaches in India at present. The deep blue color of the sea, when merged with the golden glow of the sand, makes the beach appear heavenly, and a trip to the Yarada Beach should be on your list of must visits. Number 2. Bora Caves. Bora Caves are situated in the Anantagiri hills of the Araku Valley in Vishakhapatnam district. Breathtaking hilly terrain, beautiful landscape, semi-evergreen moist deciduous forests and wild fauna of the Bora Caves are a visual feast. A marvelous creation of nature, the Bora Caves were formed when river waters flow through a limestone area and the calcium carbonate turns into calcium bicarbonate, which is easily washed out by the running water. The most striking feature of the caves is its exquisite variety of speleothems ranging in size. The journey up to the primary destination, with its picturesque location and a thrilling hike, is a treat in itself. Number 1. Kailasagiri. Kailasagiri is a hilltop park in the city of Vishakhapatnam. The hill is at 360 feet and it overlooks beaches, forests and the city of Vishakhapatnam. It is one of the best tourist spots in the city for a bird's eye view of the bay. The Kailasagiri Park is well known for its panoramic view, peaceful atmosphere, and its scenic beauty, making it a beautiful tourist attraction in Vishakhapatnam. There are huge idols of Lord Shiva and Parvati, which gives the place a religious flavor. It's a place that offers a mixture of things, including places of religious importance, adventure games like paragliding, enjoyment for little kids, wide view of the whole city, and many other things for the visitors. So friends, this was about Vishakhapatnam. See you next time with another beautiful city.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Each of your thumbs up tells us to do better, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.